If you're searching for the best electric tricycle in 2026, you're in the right place. Electric trikes are perfect for stability, comfort, and long rides, whether you're commuting, shopping, or just enjoying the outdoors. In today's video, we'll break down the top 5 best electric tricycles, ranked from number 1 to number 5, based on performance, features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Ucargo Electric Tricycle. Taking the top spot, we have the Ucargo Electric Tricycle. This trike comes with a powerful 1,500-watt motor, up to 80 miles of range, and fat tires with front suspension. It also features large cargo baskets, smart app integration, and GPS tracking. This is the most powerful and feature-packed trike on the list. It's built for both performance and utility, making it ideal for long-distance rides or carrying heavy loads. Pros: extremely powerful motor, longest range available, smart features with GPS tracking, large cargo capacity, smooth ride with suspension. Cons: heavy and less portable. If you want the best overall electric tricycle in 2026, this is the one to get. Number 2. ESKUTE T300 Pro Electric Trike. We have the ESKUTE T300 Pro Electric Trike. It features a 998.4 watt-hour battery, 1,200-watt peak motor, 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires, and a foldable design with storage bags. This is a premium trike with excellent range and comfort. It's perfect for longer rides and everyday use, especially if you need extra storage. Pros: excellent battery capacity, strong motor performance, comfortable and stable, foldable with storage. Cons: price is on the higher side, slightly heavy. A great choice for riders who want long range and premium comfort. Number 3. ESKUTE E-Trike Electric Bike. Is the ESKUTE E-Trike electric bike. It includes a 1,200-watt peak motor, 624 watt-hour battery, fat 18 by 3-inch tires, and speeds of 18 plus mph with up to 55 miles range. This model delivers a balanced mix of power and comfort. The fat tires and step-through frame make it very user-friendly. Pros: smooth and stable ride, good power output, easy step-through design, solid range. Cons: a bit bulky, not the longest battery life. A solid all-rounder for daily rides and comfort. Number 4. Qlife Triker Electric Bike. We have the Qlife Triker electric bike. This trike features a 750-watt motor with 1,200-watt peak, 48-volt 10.4 Ah battery, foldable frame, and up to 55 miles range. It's a practical option for those who need portability. The foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. Pros: foldable and compact, good motor power, decent range, budget-friendly. Cons: build quality is average. Smaller tires reduce comfort. Ideal for users who want a portable and affordable electric trike. Number 5. VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. We have the VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. It offers a 250-watt to 350-watt motor, 468 watt-hour battery, and supports up to 330 pounds with multiple wheel size options. This is a simple, beginner-friendly trike designed for short trips and relaxed riding. Pros: affordable, easy to use, comfortable for seniors, stable design. Cons: low motor power, limited speed and range. Best for casual riders or beginners on a budget. So that was our list of the top 5 best electric tricycles in 2026, ranked from best to budget-friendly options. No matter your needs, whether it's power, range, or affordability, there's a perfect trike for you on this list. Check the links in the description to find the best deals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.